it looks through the windows. We'll still come get a coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
But
Okay, so we just left Monkeypod and we had their Monkeypod Mai Tais.
hi!
And we had about 10. So now we're gonna walk back. Try to walk back. But they were amazing. We only had, what do you call it? What did we eat?
We had
Fried chicken wings and chips.
fried chicken wings and the truffle garlic aioli fries.
And the entrees, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
they were
so-
appetizers.
But in all honesty though, entrees and appetizers. But if that's all you're after, then it's more than enough, because it was a lot. It was a fair bit. You get like 6 drumsticks and a big bowl of chips. So how beautiful the Even Hills look out there.
Yeah, it's good.
Everywhere is so different.
I think that's what I love about Hawaii the most. Depending what side of the island you go on,
It's always different.
so
Yeah.
different.
It's beautiful no matter what. but-
Yeah.
Yeah, you must be able to walk that way and walk in, because it has that, but you come in at the beach. Oh, what are you dropping? You right? Okay, so you can walk that way and go beach access, but we didn't go that way, so I don't even know what it looks like. But we'll walk back this way. So if you go down Aulani Street, that'll take you into the beach and you can just walk back through the resort. But yeah, it's literally across the road. I'll do a walk tomorrow too and go to Starbucks. Probably in the morning for a coffee. It's probably cheaper, easier. But yeah, we went there during happy hour, so you save a few dollars off cocktails. Not a lot. I think it's like $15 a cocktail. For 2 entrees and cocktails, it cost us $160. But we did also get a lot in as well, so we had a fair few. I think we had 5 or 6 drinks, so it's not too bad really. But now we'll go to Disney, find somewhere to sit, or we might go for another swim. It's currently 5:45, so we didn't do too bad because I actually bought out a heap of drinks after the 5 o'clock. We could pre-order it. He basically let us pre-order sort of thing and bought them out, so it worked really well. And it's not far to walk, as you can see. It's just so peaceful here. Golf course over here. I haven't played golf for a while, but I would absolutely kill to live here and be able to play golf whenever you want. That'd be the dream. I think we have to turn here with these people. So we'll walk up here. I'm going to try not to get run over and do a sneaky. Have a bit of a look over here. Oh wow, grass is like super lush. So you've got all your waterfalls. This is all the front entrance. How deep's the grass when you step on it? It's like so thick. It's like walking on jelly. So sorry about the sun, but this joint is beautiful. Monkeypods everywhere.
We'll give it that little bit.
A lot of people coming down. I'm assuming probably to go to eat. Tomorrow we're going to spend the whole day inside though. You pay for what you get, so we may as well utilize it at the same time. Another entrance. Get out of the car. As you would have seen on our arrival, we stopped here. They got us to drive forward, valet parking. So it was a lot easier for us just to do that, not have to stress about anything at all. We were going to get a taxi out, but it was going to be expensive. Cut around here. This crazy lady waving. Are you right there?
Yeah.
Good. Hi. We actually haven't been to the balcony here yet, so we should do a little walk out here. We'll do a full walk around video as well, which is just for that. So we will do a walk around vid. But we'll come out here and have a look. It's probably a better view from the room, but still, not too many foyers that you can walk out of that look like this. I don't know what crazy lady's doing over there, but God knows. This place is just absolutely incredible. The detail in everything is insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, we'll go back this way now because she's probably eager. It's empty. What do you happen to see? Water features everywhere. So back through check-in, reception. Auntie's Beach House, that's for little people.
Oh, we just dropped Jessie off there.
Drop Jessie off at Little People Place. And even in here we do have Aulani Mickey in there. I don't know if they do meet and greets there or what, but they open it up so you can take photos with Mickey. I know that much. Vacation Club sales office, that's the probably like timeshare. Every view out of these windows is incredible too. They're a lot bigger than what they look. And we're going up. What was that one?
We're in level 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, level 10. Room 40.
So
Holy moly, those Mai Tais were amazing.
I can tell you're drunk.
Get the Mai Tais at Monkeypod.
Going on.
you don't want to jump in.
You sure? There's plenty of room. Okay.
Thank you.
We were too drunk for him.
He didn't want to drunk people. But yeah, I think we had 5 or 6 each in an hour or 2.
6, I think.
Yeah, it wasn't very long.
No.
But they were great. They were.
Is this our level?
Yes, it is. But bang for buck, they were good. You don't save a lot, but you save enough. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
We'll leave it there anyway, and we'll continue on. We'll see what happens tonight, what we film, and go from there. Till then.